Yeah, Zerskis. So I know we've been waiting for my intake manifold. It hasn't gotten shipped yet. So at the moment, we got carbon fiber headlight. I'm gonna install it now. I'm gonna take this headlight off, which is almost off. I just gotta remove this bolt right here, which should be a 10, and then the dress-up kit. So I took that off already, and then I got one more screw right here. And then once we pop that off, we could throw on the carbon. So let's get that done. All right, guys, this is my first time doing this. So I got the bolt right here off. It was a 10 mil. I got the screw off. You just pull this towards you and it pops off, right? And now my issue is fighting this right here. I think I'm gonna have to take the bumper off. I'm gonna just sag it a little bit. So I am gonna loosen 1, 2, 3, and probably just try to sag it off a bit and see what happens from there. Cause if you guys can see, I don't really have much room to play with. So let me go do that real quick and then I'll get back to you. So I thought with an older car, we'd get away from the stupid stuff. I guess not. So from what I've seen, to take this off, I took off this 10 mil, you guys saw that. Then I took off the dress-up kit up there. And then now I have to take these two off in order to slide the light, if you guys see it, to me, because I can't slide it back. It'll hit that black part and it won't come off. So I gotta pull it towards me after I take these two little 10s off. So yes, fam, if you guys want to do this, be prepared for not a pain, but it's tedious. You have to take this off, literally. It sits right here, and then that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, boys. It's dry carbon, so it doesn't really have that like clear coat effect. But if I wanted it to shine, I'd go ahead and have my painter clear coat it. It is still shiny in the inside right here. Obviously, guys, this all is going to be hidden in the bumper. But yeah, it comes with literally everything. And I love the back. Look at that. It goes right into an intake. So you can get a little coupler in there. Boom. The only thing is, I don't know if I feel comfortable with that. Because obviously I don't want no rocks and stuff going into my intake. So we'll see. But let's get this on. Oh my God, this looks so badass. Let's go. And that's it, fam. So it's pretty much going to lead into an intake once I get my intake manifold. But yeah, pretty fire. Don't mind the clear fade, you know. We got to get this repainted and all that. But yeah, pretty good. Pretty cool. PasswordJDM, baby.